Welcome to Fairy Drawing Channel.
Welcome to Fairy Drawing Channel.
Hi, kids! Starting with cauliflower. Draw a cloud-like shape and the stem. Super easy! And now color with green. Nice and neat. Fill it in. Vegetables are super healthy. A light green for the stem. Add some details with a lighter shade of green. Here is a yummy cauliflower. Delicious and healthy. Let's draw a carrot. A cloud shape and a corn shape. How easy was that? Color in with orange. And green for the leafy stem. Don't forget the details. That looks amazing! Rabbits love to eat carrots. A yummy carrot! Let's draw some corn in oval shape and the husk blue. And now color it green. It's super easy. Yellow for the seeds. And a lighter yellow. Draw lines like this to show all the seeds. Some more detailing. Yeah, yummy corn. Draw a curvy line like this. Leaves and a stem on the top. Can you guess what fruit this is? A tomato color with green. And with red. Some more detailing just like that. It looks so juicy and delicious. Tomato. Time to draw some bees. A curvy long line joined at both ends. Little circles for the bees. Let's color it in with some light green. a different shade of light green for the bees. A little bit of dark green to color in the empty space. Details are important. Don't forget them. Looks great, delicious peas. I love pea soup, don't you? Hope you had a fun time drawing and coloring, and of course learning about all the vegetables that are healthy.